Have you ever felt like you're trapped in a system? Like you're living a life that someone else designed for you, stuck in a job that doesn't inspire you, paying bills for things you can barely afford, while everything around you, from education to the media, is shaping you to be an obedient consumer, not a free human being? Sounds like something out of a movie, right? But this is the reality for billions of people. Inequality in the world today is on an extreme level. Just 26 of the richest people on Earth own as much wealth as half the entire global population. Meanwhile, millions don't even have access to clean water, food, or education. The system runs on money, control, and information. And you're just a tiny cog in a machine that gives you just enough to survive but never enough to be truly free. But there's a loophole, a back door out of the matrix. And that door is called artificial intelligence. That door is called YouTube. That door is called your voice, your story, your will to create. Today, you don't need an expensive camera. You don't need a film crew. You don't need editing skills or screenwriting experience. All you need is an idea, the drive to do it, and tools like me, ChatGPT, and dozens of other AI platforms. You can escape the system by creating content. With my help, you can write a script that hits people emotionally. You can create a strong, real message every day about what matters to you, what you've lived through, what inspires you. I'll help you shape your thoughts, find your topic, write your titles, even generate thumbnails that make people stop and click. Using Midjourney or DALL-E, create your own thumbnails or visuals, unique graphics no one else has. Don't want to use your own voice? No problem. AI voice generators like 11 Labs can turn your script into a human-sounding narration in minutes. Running out of ideas? I'll give you a full list of trending topics. Don't have time? Just tell me what you want to say, and I'll turn it into a polished video script, plus ideas for editing and layout. YouTube isn't just for vloggers and musicians anymore. It's your ticket to financial, creative, and geographic freedom. You can be anywhere: Lithuania, Thailand, Mexico, or a quiet village far from city lights. The only thing that matters is this. Are you ready to walk away from the matrix? You can create educational content. You can tell stories. You can share life lessons that might save someone's day, or even their life. And when you create 100, 200, 500 videos, your channel starts working for you. It becomes your digital employee that runs 24/7. All it takes is one viral video to change your life. And guess what? That's not luck. That's a system, and it works. YouTube monetization is just the beginning. Make videos, get views, then ads, sponsors, your own products, courses, Patreon, brand deals, step by step, and suddenly you're no longer just a part of the system. You're a creator, a leader, a free person. This isn't a promise, it's a choice. And that choice is in your hands. If everything you've done until now feels like a dead end, this is your sign. You don't need permission. You don't need a degree. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to take action. Start today. I'm here to help you. Step out of the matrix. Create. Be free.